Hi guys, welcome to Metrics. We're gonna be importing Excel using Stata. Previously, we introduced the qualitative response models in our channel, and that very soon we'll be analyzing models with respect to that, and we'll be using Stata. So Stata is a powerful software package for data management, statistical analysis, and data visualization. Stata is used by researchers in fields like economics, biomedicine, or epidemiology, and every other most disciplines. And this video will tell us the steps to import Excel to Stata. The first step is to launch into Stata software, and the next step is to click File. Then we'll move further to click Import, and then we click Excel spreadsheet. There we'll see a mini platform where we'll have to click Browse to select Excel file from the computer. We'll select the Excel file from the location it is stored. Then we'll move further to tick Import First Row as variable names to give our data a very good presentation. And then lastly, we click OK. So we have to follow these steps now. The first thing we do is to launch into Stata software. Okay, we've done that, and then we move to File, click File, and then we click Import, and then we click Excel spreadsheet. So we have a mini platform where we can browse data from the computer. Data is located in the desktop. The desktop, I look for Stata. Okay, Stata data. Click Open. So we have our data. Then we click Import First Row as variable names to make the data presentable. Okay. And then we click OK. Now to view the data, click on Data Editor Browse. Yes, this is data we imported from Excel. In order to save the data, we click on File and we click Save. And then save it in the save location, desktop. We type data, Stata data, and then we click Save. Hence, we have saved our data. So this is how we import data from Excel for use on Stata. Thank you very much. Bye bye.